Hi and welcome back to Mountain Aromatics. Today for Strawberry Oliffac from IFF, International Flavors and Fragrances. It is 8 hours on the test strip and I'm assuming it's a top note. I think it could go to the middle note as well. I don't know. This is fresh strawberries with the green leafy stem still on it, because there is a tiny bit of a green stem, green leaf. I think more green leaf than stem. This is beautiful. To me, when you want to give a real strawberry aroma in your fragrance, this is it. This is really cool. But the other thing I'll tell you, and again, I've told you before in some other videos, using this with patchouli is magic. I don't know, it does something. I don't understand it. All I can say is in perfumery, 1 + 1 = 3. 1 + 1 does not equal 2 in perfumery. It doesn't. 1 + 1 = 3, meaning you have 1, 2, and then when you combine them, you have a third aroma that's completely different. It's true. So, this to me is a secret weapon in perfumery, like a secret ingredient. Like, whoa, how did they get that to happen? What is that? Because what I do with this is I use a drop. I don't use much at all, but it changes the entire formula, especially when you use patchouli with this. It's magic. It's magic. It is. I'm just telling you. Here. Okay. So before I started perfumery, I thought a fragrance like this would be this plasticky, fake strawberry. And this changed my mind. This smells like real strawberries with the green leaves still on. It smells like fresh strawberries. There's another dimension to it, which is like clean, I'm going to say it, soil. Now, what I mean by that, I don't mean it's dirty at all, because it's very, very, very clean, but it's just a little bit more complex than this bright strawberry aroma. It's made complex by, there is a little bit of that green leaf in there, and then there's a little something else. And that little something else is a tiny bit of clean earthiness. And I mean that in a good way. It's just, I'm doing that because I can't, it's complicated and it's unexpected. And that's what I'm like, wow, I didn't expect that. It's really beautiful. Again, I use this as a secret ingredient when I'm using patchouli, and it does some magic. But I can also, I cannot also see it because I've done it, but I've put it with some florals, and I mean at a low, like a drop with some other florals, and I've done the same thing adding it to some fruit, obviously. Even with tropical, like I've done a tropical formula before, and I put like 1 drop of this in it to bring more complexity and what is that, and to create some more complexity. But for me and right now, what I do is I use this in a very low dose, and it's in the background, and it creates complexity in my formulas. And that's how I use it. So I hope that is helpful. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics.